മിശിഹായുടെ നിയമവും തിരുസഭയുടെ നടപടിയും അനുസരിച്ച് വിവാഹമെന്ന ഉപദാശയിലൂടെ ജോർജിനെ നിന്റെ ഭർത്താവായി സ്വീകരിച്ചുകൊള്ളാമെന്ന് നീ വാഗ്ദാനം ചെയ്യുന്നു.
Sunshine, you're my best times, you're my, I choose you. Every breath we take, we choose you.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir, I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart